5-1, graph inequality. Number one, you're going to draw a graph for each inequality. Okay, so this symbol might freak a lot of people out, so I would like you to remember it. So when it looks like this, and if you read it left to right, this looks like the letter less. So think about that as the less than. Then if you see something like this, looks like this. Okay, greater there than. Okay, so think about that. So here, this looks like it is x is less than 5, -5. So what you want to do is you're going to go to -5. It's open here because it's not equal to, and it is less than. The numbers that are less than are to the left of it. So it goes all the way to the left, and there you go. Let's look at the B2 right here. This translate into x, and this is the greater than, and the bar means equal to. Okay, 2. So we go to the number 2, and the fact that it's greater than and equal to, we close it because of the equal to, and it is greater than, so it goes all the way to the right because those are all the numbers that are greater than it. Now let's take a look at this. This is really hard to see, so always have the letter on the left. Always do that. Okay, so this really looks like x is, change the sign to -2. So you read that as x is greater than -2. So we go to -2. It is going to be open, and it is greater than, so it goes all the way to the right. Okay. Then we have here, again, we want the letter to be on the left. So make sure you flip everything. So x, change it, the symbol, and make that a 5. So this is x is greater than 5. Okay. So here we want to open it at 5, and we saw it as all the numbers that are greater than that. So it goes all the way to the right, and there you go. Okay. All right. So again, make sure the letters is always on the left, and you can read it this way, and that is how you graph an inequality.